In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality story on Facebook. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Facebook application. Now from here, tap on your menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon, which is our settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you find your media settings. So tap on media and you should see the video quality right here. So make sure that the data saver is not checked. Always make sure that optimized is selected. So you will see also other settings from here. Now to adjust the image quality, we want to exit our Facebook app and open a web browser. So from here, we want to open our Facebook. From here again, tap on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down until you find settings and privacy and select settings. From here again, go to media and you will see the photo quality options right here. Make sure that this is set to high. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.